Bonjour, I am Isabel and I am the founder of My French Recipe. Welcome to my home kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious French crepe in a super easy way. We're gonna use this baking mix here to keep it super easy and super quick. For the recipe we need 3.5 cups of milk, half a stick of butter and 3 eggs. That's all for the ingredients. For the tools, we need a frying pan, a mixing bowl, a whisk, a saucepan, a spatula and a ladle. Okay, so first we need to pour the milk inside the pan. We're gonna add the butter. So I've just melted the butter with the milk together so it's at the same temperature. Now I'm going to use the mix and pour everything in the bowl. And we are going to add the 3 eggs. And 2. And 3. I'm going to start whisking, adding some milk. Not everything, because we don't want to have any lumps. We want to mix slowly until combined and then add again some milk. More milk. Almost done with the milk. You don't want to add everything all together because then it's complicated to mix without any lumps. And the last part. And voila, the batter for the crepe is ready. So first I'm going to turn the heat on at medium. I'm going to drizzle with just a little bit of oil. You can use canola oil, olive oil. They work great for that. We just want to drizzle and then using a paper napkin or pastry brush, spread everything everywhere. You see it's just a little bit of oil, not a lot. We don't want to fry the crepe. Then we need to let the pan get hot enough.